Rainwater harvesting is a simple and effective technique of collecting and storing rainwater for future use. In country like India, where water scarcity is becoming a serious challenge due to population growth, urbanization, and climate change, rainwater harvesting plays a crucial role in water conservation. The basic idea of rainwater harvesting is to capture rainwater from rooftops, open grounds, and roads and store it in tanks or allow it to recharge groundwater through pits and wells. This method reduces surface runoff, prevents flooding, and increases groundwater level. One of the biggest advantage of rainwater harvesting is that it provides a sustainable solution to water shortages. It helps reduce dependence on river and groundwater which are already overexploited. In rural areas, it supports agriculture and livestock, while in urban areas, it meets domestic needs like washing, cleaning, and even drinking after proper treatment. From environmental perspective, rainwater harvesting helps recharge aquifers, improve soil moisture and reduce erosion. It also saves energy as less power is required to pump water from deep underground sources. The government has taken several initiatives to promote rainwater harvesting by making it mandatory in urban buildings and encouraging community based water management. However, public awareness and participation are still essential for its success. Rainwater harvesting is also cost effective and easy to maintain. Traditional Indian methods like step wells and tanks shows its long-term value. When adopted in homes, schools and communities, it promotes awareness, self-reliance and collective responsibility while helping solve water scarcity sustainably. In conclusion, rainwater harvesting is not just a technique but a responsibility. By adopting it at individual and community level, we can ensure water scarcity, protect the environment, and contribute to sustainable development of future generations.